So this is the new Empacher single I got. It's a little damaged here in the bow. I knew about that. She's got some little dings and scratches. This was a repair job that it just didn't do right. They just filled it with epoxy. You know, for she's still got a little gloss for 1995. I'll probably rub it out with some compound, and you know, it'll probably be the last time it'll be able to do that. But you know, I'd rather do that than repaint it, you know, without the Empacher color, because Empacher doesn't give that out. She's from Haverford. There's the Haverford H. She's got these, like, it's hard to see, but she's got like these black marks, you know, but nothing too bad on the bottom. Here, let's flip this. You know, the bow's not so bad, but she does have more stains, you know, and I just can't get this out. You know, I wonder what that is too. You know, the Empacher here, the R is gone, but brand new seat, brand new shoes. I just put these in. Haverford gave these to me with the boat. That was nice of them. The carbon fiber I'm going to redo myself for sure. As you can see, it's really faded. It just wasn't, the carbon fiber just wasn't taken care of. But that's just, you just wet dry sand that and put a clear coat on it and you're good. More black stains. This is the stuff that really disappointed me. But we'll see. I'm gonna try some marine cleaners, some acid products. The key with those acid products is just to you know, just wash the boat like immediately after. You know, you can't let it on there, and you gotta wax it. But I'm gonna wax it, that's no problem. But yeah, overall she's not too bad. Just the bow. I'm debating whether or not to do that myself or not. We'll see, you know. So that's the new boat, that's the project. We're gonna get her back to new, or like new. Gotta put the new tape on it, but she's gonna shine again, that's for sure.